This is the end of our tale by the firelight. The adventures have ended. Frodo has sailed away from Middle-earth with the elves to the undying lands. Gimli has returned to the lonely mountain to be with his people. Legolas has gone to the Greenwood the Great to be with his kin. And Aragorn, King Elisor, has taken Arwen to Minas Tirith to rule over Gondor. Merry and Pippin have come back to the Shire, but Bilbo and Gandalf are still missing. Gandalf fell in the battle with the Balrog in the depths of Moria, and we thought that he was lost. T was found by the eagles and taken to the banks of the river Ciranin. There he met Gandalf the White, who told him he had been sent back to help the free peoples of Middle-earth against Sauron. Gandalf the Grey then went back to the Shire to help rebuild it and to watch over the hobbits. Samwise Gamgee married Rosie Cotton and they had 13 children, 12 sons and 1 daughter. And Frodo and Sam's garden grew into one of the most beautiful gardens in the Shire, full of flowers, vegetables, fruit trees, and fountains. Merry Brandybuck and Peregrine Took also returned home after the defeat of Sauron. They were welcomed as heroes, and they spent their days telling stories of their adventures to anyone who would listen. And so, peace returned to Middle-earth. But this is not the end of our story, for even though the adventures have ended, the light of courage and friendship will shine in every heart forever. So we must now leave the tale by the firelight and go out into the darkness to face our own adventures. We may not have all the answers, we have each other. That is enough. Let us go out into the darkness and face it together. For even in the darkest of times, there is always hope. And as we go out into the darkness, let us remember the words of Gandalf the Grey. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. Thank you for watching. You have been an audience to the tale by the firelight. Thank you for your support. And may the memory of courage and friendship be with you until we meet again. The adventures may be over, but the story lives on. Here are some pictures of the Shire. The Shire is a place of beauty and peace. Just like the end of our story, it is a place where hobbits can live happy and simple lives, just like we all won in the end. Hope you enjoyed the story and the Shire. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Did you like the ending? What did you think of the Shire? And what story would you like to hear next? I would love to hear from you. And if you liked the story, please hit the like button. It really helps me. And subscribe to my channel so you never miss an upload. I have so many more stories to tell you, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thank you for listening, and goodbye. The sun rises over the Shire. The birds are singing, and the hobbits are waking up. It is a new day and a new beginning. Frodo and Sam's garden is in full bloom, and the flowers are beautiful. Merry and Pippin are sitting outside the Green Dragon Inn. They are talking about their adventures. Gandalf the Grey is walking down the hill, and he is looking at the Shire. He is happy to be home. Samwise Gamgee and Rosie Cotton are in their garden, and they are picking vegetables. They have 13 children, and they are all playing in the fields. Aragorn and Arwen are riding into Minas Tirith. The people are cheering, and they are celebrating. Their king has returned. Gimli and Legolas are walking through the forest. They are talking about their adventures. they are friends forever. Frodo and Bilbo are sailing into the west. The elves are waving goodbye and they are singing songs. Frodo has found peace at last. Here are some more pictures of the Shire. The Shire is a place of peace and beauty, and we hope that you enjoyed our story about it. Thank you for listening. The end.